Hey coffee lovers, get in here. Let's review this coffee machine together, and I'll be uploading the link on my bio so that you can get yours if you are interested. Now this is the cup holder and these are the manuals that are available in different languages. This is the extra coffee compartment, and then this is a brush for cleaning. This is the cup nozzle that is adjustable, and this is where we place the water. Now this is the coffee beans for cafe crema that I'll be placing in the coffee beans compartment. Now putting it on, you can warm your cup by using that button that releases hot water. Now increasing the intensity, 2 cups and cafe crema button. And we wait. Here is our coffee.